My name is Suresh Digambar Use, Department of Physics. My unique code is PHYS 2007. And first of all, thanks to pre-PhD coordinator of pre-PhD coursework, Dr. Bamu Aurangabad. My presentation topic is title of my presentation is Interaction Studies of Composite Organic and Inorganic Material using the gamma ray spectroscopy. And coordinator of this PhD course, that is Professor Dr. B.N. Dole, sir. Uh, uh, First slide of my presentation about problem of my research work. The scientific study of interaction of radiation with matter, a proper characterization and the penetration and diffusion of gamma radiation in external medium is necessary. Uh, Gamma ray interaction with matters needs of detailed knowledge of the different processes that takes place during the absorption. During the absorption, the various possible interaction of gamma ray with matter are classified into 12 categories and they are discovered. Uh, in my research work, what happened, the Berger and Hebel, they developed the theoretical table and computer program, that is XCOM program. And in my research work, first of all, we selected the samples and calculate the attenuation parameters of that sample in the energy range, that is the 1 keV to 100 giga electron volt. The probability of each process can be expressed in terms of cross section and these can be obtained theoretically. What are the problems in my research work? The number of research has been discovered in this area, but what happened? My selected samples, we find the attenuation parameter and shading properties of the selected samples in the energy range, that is the uh, 133 kilo electron volt to 1330 kilo electron volt. Effect, that is second thing is that the mass attenuation coefficient usually depends upon the energy of radiation and nature of the material. Many researchers determined and compiled data of these parameters for different materials. My idea about my research, that is selected organic and inorganic composite materials have application in different fields, but from our result of selected materials it will be further increase area of uses. My selected samples, the applications of selected samples is few, but I will increase the area of that uses of that samples. Organic and inorganic composite materials are useful in medical, biological, industrial and other fields. Selected materials shall be used in radiation dosimetry and shading applications. Study the various photon interactions processes in the selected materials. Find the dosimetry and selected competence. Develop new non-hazardous dosimetry shading materials. Cost effective, non-degradable, moldable and crack-free material finding for effective radiation. This is the my idea of my research. Mm, Working principles. I will use the methodology for in my research work. First of all, I will use the composite organic and inorganic material. Selected materials are there, and effect of gamma radiation on the material using gamma ray spectroscopy. I will be uh, use that gamma ray spectroscopy. In this research work, there are three following methods: power method, liquid method, and palette from the KBR press machine. I would like to tell you here. First thing is that a palette from KBR press machine. Firstly, for the selected composite and organic and inorganic composite material, I will be make the palettes of that samples using the KBR press machine, and then I will be take that for the experimentation. So among these, we will be use suitable method. Next one, that is the theoretical evolution of linear attenuation coefficient by knowing the contribution from different gamma rays interaction processes with different composite organic and inorganic materials. Obtain the value of total losses in intensity of gamma rays experimentally using narrow beam geometry to test the validity of theoretical models used to calculate the attenuation coefficient by comparing with experimental results. And one thing, that is the sodium iodide thallium scintillation counter I will be used in my experimentation demonstration, and useful radioactive sources such as that is cobalt, barium, cesium, magnesium, cobalt, sodium. These sources are produced from Baba Atomic Research Park, Mumbai. And my conclusion of research, that is using the sodium iodide thallium detector, we will find the attenuation parameter, that is mass attenuation coefficient, electronic cross section, effective electron density, effective atomic number, total attenuation cross section of composite organic inorganic materials. And firstly, one thing is important. I will take the theoretical value of the my selected sample organic and inorganic materials using the Hubble and that XCOM program, and I will then for that samples I will take the experimental reading, and I will compare that reading, both the readings, and I will get the materials, that is the shading properties of that materials, and it will be useful for the shading properties